I know my butt's hurting and I gotta pee. Oh, look at that old house. Hell yeah, this is what I was looking for, something like this. That must be the old train station. Oh, there's a lot to look at here. I'm getting all excited like a little kid. Alrighty, let's go. Let's go straight. Look at the size of that big ass building. Yatesville. Let's see if we can get a picture of that. So what is this? That's a church? Holy cow. Beautiful old church. Look at that. That don't even look like a church. It looks like old. I don't know what it looks like. Now, this is a neat little place. I'll get out and take some pictures.
What a new. Keep out signs. There we go. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that looks like a train station. Hopefully I don't mind. I ran right into dog shit. That's awesome. Yeah, it definitely looks like an old train station. I left keys in the bike. Awesome. Yeah, number 12 Railroad Street. Let's see what's inside that damn thing. Huh. Neat old house there too. Huh. I like to see what's in there. It's got metal shingles.
come in that way. So I wonder if that was the railroad tracks. What the hell is that? Ain't no snow. Alright. Get out of here. Cool as hell though. Ticket office. Sleepy looking little town.
Yatesville, Georgia is a small town located in Upson County in the central part of the state. Its history is deeply intertwined with the development of Georgia itself, reflecting the broader themes of settlement, agriculture, and industry that shaped the region over the centuries. Though small in population, Yatesville has played a significant role in Georgia's historical narrative, particularly in relation to its early settlement, economic development, and contributions to the Civil War era. The area that is now Yatesville was originally inhabited by Native American tribes, including the Creek and Cherokee nations. However, by the early 19th century, European settlers began to move into the region as part of the broader push to expand westward. The land that would eventually become Yatesville was part of the land ceded by the Native Americans following treaties such as the Treaty of Indian Springs in 1825. That Yatesville itself was founded in the mid-1800s, and its origins are tied to the growth of Upson County, which was established in 1824. The town's name is believed to come from the Yates family, who were among the first settlers in the area. The town was officially incorporated in 1885, though it had already developed as a small community by then. Agriculture was the economic backbone of Yatesville and much of the surrounding area for many years. The region's fertile soil made it ideal for cotton farming, which became the dominant industry in Upson County during the 19th century. The growth of the cotton economy attracted a number of settlers, both from within Georgia and from other parts of the South. The expansion of railroads in the late 1800s helped to connect Yatesville to nearby markets, further bolstering its agricultural economy.